Good exercise. Okay, they'll try to start a hose as much as it says. Oh. I was talking a little bit, guys. That's why I'm sounding out of breath. The Western Maryland guy, like subscribe. I think that's a YouTube channel. Oh, get the heart pumping. Whoa, okay. 56 axles. I'm okay, Willie. Alright, B709, you guys look good. You guys be safe going eastbound to Pepco. Oh, I love that sound of EMD. You can say it, I know, I'm an EMD freak. I love EMDs. Granted, is good power, granted, glutamate. But I'm more EMD because I have that kind of sound. So, alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.